How are you, buddy? Hey, what are you doing? Jack. Come on. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo Man here. Bright and early Saturday morning. My wife came home yesterday and said, hey, on the way home, my car set a check engine light. I don't like check engine lights. Let's find out what it is, huh? I did brakes on Julianne's car last night. I figured it was pretty boring. You guys wouldn't be interested in it, but at least we got it done. Did brakes on her car too. Cheryl's car, Julianne's car. Everybody's got new brakes. Look at that. Well, I guess it's not so bright and early, huh? Here, ALDL. Where are you? Diagnostics. Ford. What? Diagnostics. Ford. Standalone. Repair order. Fusion. Automatic. Read. Full hybrid electric vehicle. Check engine light, she says, is on. Yes. One thing I don't like about this is it takes forever to load. Hey, hello there. One fault. Well, at least it's only one. Heated oxygen sensor. Bank 1, sensor 2. I wonder if this thing's still under warranty. I think so. It's got 100,000 miles on it. Alright, so here's the code we came up with. Saying it's got a heated oxygen sensor circuit problem. Okay, escape. Alright, so we got rid of it. We'll see if it comes back. If it does, schedule it to get serviced. The car's got a 100,000 mile warranty on it. I bought that whenever we bought the car. Because of the hybrid system. It's got 74,113 miles on it currently. And, well, as you can see, we have an oxygen sensor code. And we'll see what that does. All right. Well, let's see what else today brings, because I'm sure we're going to be busy today.